Let's unlock the tools for achieving strategic clarity. In this video, we'll explore SWOT and TOWS analysis. Are you feeling lost in chaos? Or do you have a clear path forward? Strategic planning can make all the difference. Strategic thinking helps us make informed decisions and navigate complexities with confidence. In today's fast-paced world, challenges are abundant. How do we rise above the noise? Uncertainty is a constant, but we can navigate it with the right tools and mindset. Enter SWOT analysis, a powerful framework for evaluating your current situation and planning for the future. SWOT is crucial for business strategy, project management, and understanding competitive landscapes. Believe it or not, you can even apply SWOT to your personal projects and hobbies. So what does SWOT actually stand for? Let's break it down. S for strengths, W for weaknesses, O for opportunities, and T for threats. Simple, right? Strengths and weaknesses are internal factors, while opportunities and threats are external. Let's consider a practical example, a SWOT analysis for a freelance designer. We'll review sample strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in this scenario. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into practice. Try doing a quick SWOT analysis for your current project, team, or personal goal. Identify 2 to 3 points in each quadrant: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. SWOT gives you the analysis, but how do you move from analysis to action? SWOT is for analysis, while TOWS is the action plan to build strategies. TOWS involves combining these factors to create strategic actions: SO, WO, ST, and WT. From understanding your situation with SWOT to formulating strategies with TOWS. The key is to formulate specific and measurable actions based on your TOWS matrix. Try to formulate at least one strategy for yourself based on your analysis. Let's make this interactive with a little workshop and sharing experience. Formulate 1 to 2 TOWS strategies from your analysis in each of these combinations. Share your examples or questions in the comments below to engage with others.